Hello everyone, welcome to my first studio vlog. Today I will be sharing some behind the scenes footage of my sticker making process. So I recently opened my shop up for physical orders, and here I am currently making stickers of my multiple puppy that you guys have seen before in my previous videos. I designed this character to be my shop's new mascot, and all of the products will feature my puppy Yuri. In case anyone was wondering, I used the Silhouette Portrait 3 machine to make my stickers, and the paper that I use is vinyl waterproof sticker paper. Here are some of the sticker designs that I have so far. Next, I will be packing up a few batch reels for my shop. I wasn't sure how I should pack these batch reels at first because of the awkward shape of the clip in the back. So I decided to place the batch reels in a bag, and I also added a little bit of confetti just to make it more appealing when the customers open their package. This next product has been one of the best sellers in my shop. This is a coaster that features Yuri holding a caffeine molecule, which I thought was so cute, and I've been using this coaster a lot for my morning coffee. There are only a few coasters left, so hopefully by the time this video is up, you guys can still grab one of these coasters. And I also have the same design in a waterproof sticker. So next, I am just cutting up some packaging stickers and freebies for the shop. I think one of my favorite parts during the sticker making process is to be able to peel perfectly cut stickers out at the end. When I first started making stickers, I actually bought a Cricut machine, but after only using it for a day, the machine wouldn't cut my stickers correctly, so I had to return it, and ever since I switched over to the Silhouette Portrait 3 machine, I have never experienced any alignment issues whatsoever, so I highly recommend you guys to get this machine if you are interested in starting your own sticker business. I really like this next sticker design that I am cutting here. I wanted to have a medical theme on my stickers for my STEM majors out there, but I am also designing other stickers so that more people can relate to it. For the rest of this video, I am just packing a few orders. Thank you so much to those who made a purchase during my shop's launch last week. The plushies are expected to be in stock again sometimes in early June. I also hope to release more products during June as well, so make sure to follow my shop on Instagram at Cottonberry. And if you would like to support me and my channel, my products will be available on my website at cottonberry.com. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to have the opportunity to continue to do what I love every day. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I will talk to you guys again very soon. Bye guys!